Hi there. My name is Taylor, and I'm a community health worker. I've been working on clinical trials with communities of color for 10 years now. Today, I want to tell you about clinical trials and how they might help you and your family. But let's start from the beginning. Do you ever wonder why you need a checkup every year? Or why women over 40 should get breast cancer screenings every 2 years? Or why exercise is important for managing diabetes? Each of these recommendations came from clinical trials. So what are clinical trials? Clinical trials are research studies that help us understand what everyday activities improve our health. There are many types of clinical trials, each with different aims and goals. Some trials test ways to detect disease. Others treat disease. Others try to find ways to help us manage our health. Historically, clinical trials have been based on data from white men, not from diverse groups such as Black, Latina, Asian American, or even older adults. So why is participating in clinical trials important for communities of color? Good health looks different in everyone, no matter your sexual or gender identity, age, race, or ethnicity. It is important to include people from all communities in clinical trials to ensure treatments work for everyone. Your voice matters. By participating in clinical trials, you will receive recommendations specific to your health needs that could help future patients. Clinical trials can also help you as a patient. You may be the first to benefit from the newest health programs and treatments, as well as receive more attention from your doctors, like free screenings and health checkups. What should you consider before participating in clinical trials? Participation in research takes time and effort. You may need more checkups than usual, or help with childcare or travel costs, but your research team will be there every step of the way. How are you protected in clinical trials? Your doctors are required to tell you about the pros and cons to every study. Every clinical trial is reviewed by a committee of doctors, researchers, and community leaders to make sure they are safe. Another benefit to clinical trials is you can leave anytime you want, and this will not affect your regular health care. So, how can you get involved? Ask your doctor what clinical trials you may qualify for, or learn about opportunities through a community health worker, health fairs, or other community spaces. Remember, your insurance and immigration status will not matter. Before making a decision, consider asking your doctor or study team, what is the purpose of the research? How am I protected as a participant? Will I have to pay for anything? How could I benefit from this research? Finally, take the time to talk to your family members about your participation. They can be important for making your decision. For more information on clinical trials and how you can get involved, scan the QR code on your screen or check out this link.